Yo, what's going on everyone? Thanks once again for tuning in. You guys are probably sitting here wondering why I am sitting here in front of the camera talking to you instead of showing me painting these black cement 3s. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you guys that video in just a few seconds. What I wanted to do first is tell you guys to follow me on Instagram. My username is the exact same as it is here on YouTube. It is at xChaseMaccini. Links will be in the description, and there should be a little thing here on the screen. And also, before I show you the video of me painting these black cement 3s, I wanted to give you guys a bonus restoration tip. And pretty much this restoration tip is going to be strictly for the black cement 3s. I've seen a lot of people repaint these shoes, but I've also seen a lot of people repaint them wrong. And what I mean by that is they do the midsole completely fine, but they forget to put the right kind of finisher on the shoe. What you want to do is put about 3 layers of the matte finisher on the midsole, and once you are done with that, you want to go to the colored portion of your midsole and hit it with at least 3 to 4 layers of the high gloss, because if you remember, the 2011 black cement 3s came out with a very high gloss finish on the colored portion of the shoe. I also want to thank you guys so much for bringing us to 1,000 likes on my sneaker collection video. For this one, I'm going to bring the number down a little bit, just because it takes a while for it to actually hit 1,000. So for this video, let's aim for 800 likes. Go ahead and smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. So without any more further ado, let's check out the video of me painting these. Once again, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Username is at xChaseMaccini. Links in the description down below. And as always, have yourself a good day. Enjoy the video.
to realize who's your enemy. Their criminal entity thrives off your negative energy. Why, of course, they wanna see your little Jeremy twisted off a recipe of Hennessy and ecstasy. Then he sees the world through a tainted vision. Better yet, next on his way to prison. He can work sweatshops, slave labor for the state. 8 hours a day, $3 a pay. The most profitable way for them to dominate is the most logical way for them to operate. So anybody who can help them conglomerates another